In this event we use 4x4 keypad and LCD display. 4x4 keypad as an input and LCD as output. The flowchart explains powering the 4x4 keypad to 3.3 volts, which is already powered in the board, LCD to 5 volts and 5 volts to the ESP32. Now connecting the 4x4 keypad to ESP32 as input and output to the LCD from ESP32. Write the code in the Arduino IDE for the desired input and output device selected to perform this event. Include the library liquidcrystal.h and keypad.h. Declare the liquid crystal function and define the pin for LCD, that is GPIO 13, 12, 14, 27, 26, 25 for RS, E, N, D1, D2, D3, D4 pins in LCD. Add the number of rows and columns using constant byte. Set the rows and columns in the order we prefer. Here we assign the keys in the following matrix order. Assign 4x4 matrix keypad in any digital pin. Here we assign with GPIO 23, 22, 3, 21 for R1, R2, R3, R4 and GPIO 19, 18, 5, 17 for C1, C2, C3, C4. Using map function we map the key to the rows and columns. Now we code inside void setup. Use the LCD begin command and set the rows and columns and clear the display. Set the cursor in the start place. Inside void loop, set the cursor in LCD and if a key is pressed, the assigned value is carried and print in the LCD using the if condition to increase the column value. If the column value is equal to 16, row value will be increased and print will be carried to the second row of the LCD. If the row is completed with the characters, clear the LCD using lcd.clear command. Now save the program, click the tools and select the particular board and select the port and verify the program and finally uploading to ESP32. Connect the selected input, that is 4x4 keypad, to the 3.3 volts power pin which is already powered and connect the GPIO 23, 22, 3, 21 for R1, R2, R3, R4 and GPIO 19, 18, 5, 17 for C1, C2, C3, C4. Connect the selected output LCD to the 5 volts power pin and the GPIO 13, 12, 14, 27, 26, 25 for RS, E, N, D1, D2, D3, D4 pins. Power the IoT kit by connecting the adapter. Now press the 4x4 key switch and see the predefined value in the LCD. The 4x4 matrix keypad is used as an input device to read the key pressed by the user and to process it. A key press establishes a connection between the corresponding row and column, between which the switch is placed. 4x4 keypads are used in remote, digital lockers, fuel dispensers and button-type mobiles. The 2x16 LCD, which is an electronic display that has 16 characters per line, and there are 2 such lines. It is widely used in an extensive range of applications like mobile phones, calculators, fuel dispenser, machineries etc.